Alright, y'all, what's going on, man? So today, me and Javon, we about to run to Walmart, man. We about to get ready for the winter because it's about to be real cold. We got snow coming up this weekend, and I just want to get a little cosmetic stuff to get ready for the winter. So I'm gonna just show y'all something real quick, show y'all how bad my windshield wipers is. So all you really can't see is actually this phone's camera is actually too good. So, but there's a long streak right here that's not showing up on the camera. So usually when you get those long streaks of water and stuff, the windshield wipers are pretty much bad. I know I've had them for at least like 2 years now, so it's time to change them. So we're gonna go to Walmart. We're gonna pick out the best ones that I think are we're gonna pick out the ones I think are the best fit for this car, and the ones I usually use all the time. Sit back. Them skills, baby. Them skills. When you got a skinny single driveway, that's what you gotta do. Oh, don't scrape. Don't scrape. Oh, we scraped anyway. All right, we'll see y'all when we get to Walmart, y'all. Come on, young man. Alright, we are here to the windshield wipers. Now, the brand I always get is the Rain-X ones. I usually get the Latitude ones. These are the ones I think are pretty much the best, 15 bucks a piece. You do have the other ones. You got the Michelin ones and then the Rain-X, the silicone ones. I think they're just a little bit too pricey, and they do the same thing as the Latitude ones. They're just as good. So for the Chrysler 200, I believe the size is 20, if I can remember, it's 26 for the driver. And then it is, I think it's 18 or 19 for the passenger. Actually, you know what? Let's find out, because I can't remember. Woo. Bam, there we go. So 2015 Chrysler 200. Oh, 26 and 19. I was right on the money. 26 and 19. All right, Papa. No, we don't need that. All right, we gotta get one more thing, and definitely need some de-icer as well. That's it. We're out of here, Papa. Let's go. Go, go. So these are pretty easy. Once you open them, they come with a little instruction book in them. You should be able to just pull the right out. There we go. Now these, any Chrysler 200 should come with the J hook, which is pretty easy. The old ones off. These are a little different. They come like that. You have to pop this clip open, which is pretty easy. Then you should just be able to slide it right on. Let's see why. Oh, there we go. That's it. Pull a little yellow piece off. Done. And then obviously the J hook goes inside. Just pull it. There we go. That's it. All done. Brand new install. I'm gonna put this stuff in later just because it's getting cold out. I don't want to do it just yet, but I'll probably do it tomorrow. And that's it, y'all. I usually just put these back in the box. And again, remember, it's 19 for the passenger, 26 for the driver. And that's it. Real easy install for the wipers. Get new ones, man, for the winter. You'll be all right. And that's it. We're going to see y'all in the next video. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
All right, y'all. We out, man. We out, y'all. Peace.